The Ozarks team is excited to bring you this spacious all-brick ranch. It has a large family room open to a lovely kitchen that's been updated with granite countertops and great cabinets. It has an enclosed patio with a privacy fence. Let's catch up with Heather and take a look.
Well, hey Heather.
Hey John.
What are you doing here? I thought we were going to look at a house.
Well, we can. I'm just sitting out here enjoying this beautiful front yard and this nice subdivision in Mountain Home.
Oh wow. Well, where are we?
Well, we're here in Carlisle Highlands at this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it's all brick. There's a new privacy fence and new flooring in most of the home, and it's a quiet neighborhood. There's walking trails just right down the road, and we're just a few minutes from medical or the hospitals, the shopping, the schools, and everything. So this is a great location.
Well, it just looks beautiful out here.
It does. I love the nice level front yard. Looks like it's easy to maintain. And so, John, are you ready to go inside?
Let's do it.
Well, hey, John.
Hi.
I like this nice little entryway. It opens up into the living room and the dining room area. And these are beautiful new flooring that got put in. I love the color. And you've got this nice natural gas fireplace here. I love that the brick matches the outside of the home.
Yeah, this is really cozy, isn't it?
It is, yes. The furniture fits perfect in here. You still have room to walk around. And you could fit a really nice sized table in here. You could have Thanksgiving, Christmas, have family gatherings, or even game night. So plenty of room. Love how open it is.
Well, it's really open, isn't it?
It is. And we have access here to the little screened porch and the backyard. So we'll go out there in a little bit, but I'm excited to show you the kitchen.
All right. Oh my.
I know, I love these countertops and these cabinets.
That is just beautiful.
And John, all of the stainless steel appliances are staying.
Is that a double oven?
It is, yes.
What are you going to cook for us?
Well, cook us up something scrumptious.
Yeah?
Some casseroles.
Let me try that double oven, see what I can do with it.
And plenty of room in all these cabinets and drawers, and they're the soft to close. You can't be mad in here. And
Right,
got
well,
a little island here.
I'll tell you what, I'd like to draw a diagram in this house. Any place I could do any drawing?
Right there, or right here. Or...
Oh yeah, look at that. One of my partners has been down there drawing already. That's perfect for the grandkids to come in and just play here and...
Yep. You can keep an eye on them, and if you have someone that likes to draw on the walls, here's their chance.
There's their chance, right. But if you're in this kitchen, there's this whole nother family room behind you.
Yes.
It's all open. Oh my, look at the room there, Heather.
No.
Show us that room, man.
Well, come on in. You have plenty of shelves over here. You can make this your little library.
It's not so little.
That's right.
If that's my library, I better get my glasses checked. I'm going to be doing a lot of reading.
Books, yep.
Wow, look at how big this is.
It is. I love all the windows. You can see into the backyard.
The thing I really love is how it's open into the breakfast area there, the bar,
right.
and the kitchen. So the people in the kitchen and the people here are all together.
That's right.
Nobody feels isolated.
Yep.
Wow.
The flooring is nice and makes it feel cozy in here.
Yeah.
You've got
That's a little
like a
office area in there.
Yes,
Yeah, all
yes.
set up for your computer.
extra storage.
Beautiful.
And I like that you have an exterior door just right here too.
Great views out the windows. A lot of light coming in here.
And the bedroom's on the opposite side of the home, but you do have a guest bathroom in here and your laundry room.
Wow. This is just a lovely half bath.
And the cabinets match the kitchen.
Yeah, and I like that sink. That's just what you need for a laundry area when you've got a little extra to wash up.
Yep, you can fold things right here if you want to. And we'll just go ahead right into the garage, which I love when a garage is right next to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Makes it easy to carry in your groceries.
Well, look at the cabinetry here. Look at that.
And those are nice cabinets. You don't see a lot of nice cabinets and countertops in a garage.
Well, I happen to have known the previous owner, and I know that they came out of the kitchen when the kitchen was redone.
That's right.
So these are solid wood kitchen cabinets in the garage.
Yep. It hides all of your stuff.
What a beautiful garage this is. I see we've got a water softener here and a water filter.
Yep, that's from Culligan here in town.
All right.
All right, John, let's go check out the bedrooms.
All right.
You've got double closets here and guest bedroom number 1.
Wow, there's your humble cameraman. This is set up as an office now, but I like these plush carpets in the
Nice
bedroom.
and soft. I mean, you could easily fit a king-size bed or a queen-size bed.
A lot of room in here, yes.
And I like that you have double closets. Very spacious second bedroom. And just around the corner is the guest bathroom with a tub shower combo.
All right, very nice.
And coming into the primary bedroom, John, this is a really nice size. You can see the owner has bigger furniture and you still have plenty of room. And it overlooks the backyard. You have those double closets in here,
Right.
and the doors are here. They're in the garage, and Surface Tech has redone the sink area and the shower area, which is a step-in shower.
And I see it's ready for a new floor, right?
Yes. So there was carpet in here, and the owner has taken up the carpet that was in here so that the new owner can put whatever they want in here. You know, if that's vinyl plank flooring, tile, or laminate, that choice is theirs.
Yes. Could be the same as in the rest of the house,
That's right. And we're gonna go out the sliding glass door out of the dining room and take a look at the backyard.
Sounds good, Heather. Thank you.
And you do have a nice sized doggy door here, but you can take this out if you want to.
So that converts right away back to a regular sliding.
That's right.
Oh, look at this. It's all enclosed, screened in. And when I was doing the aerial photography, I noticed from above these light strips, and I wondered what they were. Now I see they let light
Yep.
in here, natural light.
This
Beautiful.
would be perfect to have a nice little dinner out here on the patio.
I
You have
guess.
tile floors.
Tile floors here in the patio.
Yep. And you step right into the backyard that the owner has put in a new privacy fence.
Wow. That's a privacy fence, isn't it?
It is. And you do have room on this side if you wanted to put up a storage shed or extra play space or garden.
You know what I thought of, Heather? When I was looking at this space, I see the double doors there in the privacy fence, and I think, well, you could put some stone here and use this to park your RV.
There you go. You sure can.
Yeah, there's plenty of room.
Or even a boat.
Or a boat, you're exactly right. This would be perfect for a boat. And I know the owner hasn't really done anything with this part of it yet because of that, leaving that open for the next buyer to decide what to do.
There you go.
Plant grass. Well, this could be a putting green, couldn't it, right here? So that,
There you go. Yep. Even better.
yeah. There's just so much about this house to love.
Well, John, what did you think of it?
Well, I thought it was great.
Yep. And if someone wants to find out more information about this, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
If you're in the market for a city home, you'll want to take a look at this one. For a showing, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on social media.